Hello friends, welcome to this video. Now in the previous video we saw how to create a scatter chart with smooth lines. This is the last video in this series of scatter chart. So here we'll be saying that how we can create a scatter chart with smooth line and markers. This is what we had created in the last video. So here we compared the straight lines with the smooth lines. Now let us go to the next sheet over here, that is scatter chart with smooth lines and markers. What is the purpose of this particular chart? The purpose of this chart is to use for presentations where trend and data points are both important. Now what are the uses of this particular scatter chart with smooth line and markers? It is used to show both the data points and the smooth trend. Plus it is also used for the presentation focused charts. What is the risk? It is most likely to represent the exact values, because here we don't get the exact values as we have seen in the previous video, but here we can get a overall trend. This is the risk, or you can say this is the disadvantage of the scatter chart with smooth lines and markers. Now let us create very quickly this particular chart. I'll select this small table where we are having the daily visitors and we are having some conversion rate. So I select this table, I go to the insert tab. In the insert tab, I click the scatter chart button, and in the scatter chart button, now I have to select this second option, which is known as scatter chart with smooth lines and markers. So I select this scatter chart, and now you can see that our chart is now ready. So with the help of this markers, it is easy to analyze the data, and it is also looking very fancy, very beautiful. So this is our scatter chart with smooth line and markers. Now if I compare this chart with our scatter chart with straight lines and markers, so let us select this chart. First of all, I'll unselect this current chart. Now I'll select this table again. I will go to the insert tab. In the insert tab, I click again the scatter chart button. In the scatter chart button, I select this one, that is the straight line with markers. So now we can compare here these two charts like this, and now we can see the little bit of difference. So this is our scatter chart with smooth line, and this is the scatter chart with straight lines and markers. There is little bit of difference, but here we don't go for the exact data points, while here in the straight line we go for the exact data points. So if you want to have a precise information, then you can use this scatter chart with straight lines and markers. If you want to see the overall trend, then you can go for the scatter chart with smooth line and markers. So till this video, we have seen the different types of scatter chart. Now in the next video, we'll be talking about another chart which is known as field map. So see you then in the next video. Thank you very much.